Hi there, friends! Today, we're going to learn our numbers, trace them, and spell them out loud. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's start with the number 1. Get ready to trace with me. Put your finger up and trace the number 1. Great job! Now let's spell it together. O-N-E. That spells the number 1. Now it's time for the number 2. Put your finger up and trace the number 2 with me. Amazing! Now let's spell the number 2 together. T-W-O, that spells 2. Here's the number 3. Put your finger up and let's trace the number 3 together. Great job! Now let's spell the number 3 together. T-H-R-E-E. That spells 3. Yay! Now here's 4. Let's trace some more. Put your finger up and let's trace the number 4. Awesome! Now let's spell the number 4 together. F-O-U-R. That spells 4. Here's the number 5. Let's trace the number 5 together. Great job! Now let's spell the number 5 together. F-I-V-E. That spells 5. Look! It's the number 6. Put up your finger and let's trace the number 6 together. You're doing amazing! Now let's spell the number 6 together. S-I-X. That spells 6. Here's the number 7. Let's trace the number 7 together. Wow! Great job! Now let's spell the number 7 together. S-E-V-E-N. That spells 7. The number 8 is great. Let's trace the number 8 together. Amazing! Now let's spell the number 8 together. E-I-G-H-T. That spells 8. It's time for number 9. Put up your finger and let's trace the number 9. Awesome! Now let's spell the number 9 together. N-I-N-E. That spells 9. Here's the number 10. Put up your finger and let's trace the number 10. Great job! Now let's spell the number 10 together. T-E-N. That spells 10. You did an amazing job. We traced and spelled all the numbers from 1 to 10. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Tickle Time TV for more learning adventures.